Hi everyone, welcome to another CLDR preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. Please pause the video if necessary to understand the requirement and then let us begin. The question says, your application needs to run on the following operating systems, Windows, Linux and Mac OS. When reviewing your code, which of the following is not a platform-specific consideration? So here, what is it saying is, whenever you are writing a code that has to be run in all different kind of operating systems, it should not have the platform-specific codes. So if you look very carefully from the top, A, use of the timestamp data type, such as returned from the get date time in seconds function. So this is certainly not a platform specific consideration, so it has to be the correct answer. Let's go through the remaining options. So the block diagram calls a .NET or ActiveX method that is going to be Windows specific, so B cannot be the correct answer. C, file name and paths include special characters such as backslash, slash, colon and tilde. These are also going to be platform specific, as the Linux and the Windows, they use a slash or the backslash or the file path colons for different purposes. And finally, the option D, user interface labels resized due to differences in system fonts. Again, this is also going to be very platform specific in nature. So our answer will be A again. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next CLDR question. Please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified for new LabVIEW videos.